Here's how you can use split screen feature on Chromebook. Whether you need to research and type, compare documents, or simply want to multitask, split screen mode allows you to divide your screen into two separate windows, making it easy to work on multiple tasks simultaneously. This feature can significantly enhance your productivity and multitasking experience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can easily activate and use the split screen feature on your Chromebook. How to activate a split screen with Maximize button on your Chromebook. First, open the app or website you want to use in one half of the screen. Now click on the Maximize button, the middle button in the top right corner of the window. Now drag the window to the left or right side of the screen until you see a gray line. Now release the mouse button to snap the window into place. Here's how to set up a split screen by dragging and dropping. Open two apps or websites you want to use simultaneously. Now click and hold on the tab of one app and drag it to the left or right side of the screen. Now release the mouse button when you see a gray line and the app will snap right into place. How to use keyboard shortcuts to activate a split screen. Press Ctrl left bracket to move the window to the left half of the screen. Then press Ctrl or right bracket to move the window to the right half of the screen. How to use overview menu to set up a split screen. Press the search key and the left bracket to open the overview menu. Now click and drag an app on the left or right side of the screen to set up split screen. How to use split screen on a Chromebook in tablet mode. Enable tablet mode on your Chromebook. Open two apps you want to use simultaneously. Tap and hold on one app's tab and drag it to the left or right side of the screen. Here's how to maximize a window on your Chromebook. Click on the Maximize button, the middle button in the top right corner of the window. Alternatively, press Ctrl, Shift, and the up arrow to maximize the window.